Hi everyone, this is Umar from Simple Tutorials, and today we will be discussing about how to fix Nintendo Switch stuck on logo screen. Before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can access to simply donate to our channel as well. So the fix that I found on various articles and forums is that you can try restarting your device. You can try hard restarting by simply pressing the button on the screens for about 20 to 30 seconds and it will be restarting everything, and most probably it will be restarting your device and fixing up the issue itself. So it is due to a boot glitch that sometime it faces, and maybe some updates fix it, but yeah, for now you can simply try restarting and I hope it helps. If it doesn't, you can consider commenting below, and that will be something related to your issue, so we can get on this and help you guys. So that wraps up our video. Please consider subscribing and head over to the link in the description to simply donate to our channel. That will be really appreciated if you do that. So yeah guys, take care and see you in the next one.